we're gonna show you how to turn this
Into this.
in just about 18 minutes.
That's crazy.
I'm Chris.
And I'm Wesley.
So let's get cooking.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Okay, we're gonna start off with about 2 tablespoons of olive oil.
Oh, I love how quick this is.
Medium heat. I know, it's amazing. I've got my ingredients set out here. It's so simple. It probably took 5 minutes to do that.
And on the way home from the dog park, we picked up this really great fresh pasta. And we are gonna elevate this like nobody's business.
What kind of pasta is it?
It is. Oh, it's ravioli.
That's right.
Cheese ravioli.
It's good. It's good. Get whatever kind of favorite ravioli you like. Now to that, we're gonna add 1 cup of chopped onions, and we're gonna cook these till they're nice and soft.
Perfect.
Okay, so now these are nice and soft, starting to turn a little brown, which is what we want. This only took 5 minutes.
Love
so
it.
Why don't you go ahead and open our package of ravioli?
This is the way I like to cook dinner. With a package, and I'm opening it.
I'm telling you, we're elevating this to a restaurant quality. Okay,
we are.
I've
totally.
got 3 cloves of garlic that I'm going to add to the party. We're just going to cook that just for 30 seconds.
I love it. This is so simple and so quick for those weeknights. You know, the kids get home, you don't have time to do anything except for throw something with the one pot too.
I know, in one pot, and it really,
stove,
when you see this, you're not going to believe how elevated it is. Okay, now here, because I had some fresh basil on hand. Yes. I love fresh basil, so I'd do it a 1/2 cup. If you want to do dried, you could just do like a good healthy 2 tablespoons.
I love this basil, and it came from your garden.
It did. Now we added a teaspoon of dried oregano. I'm going to do about 1.5 teaspoons of salt. A 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper,
and a little bit of red pepper flakes.
Healthy pinch of nice red pepper flakes.
I love the red pepper flakes.
We're going to cook this. It just literally does not take long at all. Just till you start to smell that incredible smell. This whole part is going to take about 1 minute.
It smells so good in here.
Crazy. Okay, so now we're just moving right along.
Yeah, I love it. I love it.
Loon,
Plus, I'm starving.
I am too. That's why you get to eat fast. Okay.
All right. So now we're going to bring over the paste, or the tomato.
This is a 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes.
Wow, look at me pitching in.
I know, it's shocking. Okay.
And now we have a 1/2 cup of chicken stock.
That's right.
Now, if you want to keep this 100% vegetarian, you can just use vegetable stock.
That is absolutely right, Loon.
Yeah.
Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're just going to mix this till it's fully combined, which we just did. And now let's add in that.
Yay! Look at how
ravioli.
easy this is.
And this is fresh ravioli.
Yes.
So you don't need
to boil it.
You don't need to boil it. We're just going to let this simmer for about 5 minutes, and it's going to cook it through absolutely perfectly. Okay, we are moving. I tell you,
my hair is blowing because we're going so fast.
I love it. That's how quick this is. You're going to get an amazing meal in no time at all.
I love it.
Okay, so now we're going to turn this into a beautiful little pink sauce, and this is a 1/2 cup of just gorgeous, beautiful heavy cream.
Oh, that just gives it that silkiness. I love it so much.
So amazing.
This is the best sauce. It's so fast. It's so easy. And then also, we're going to throw in my favorite thing, which are these lovely sun-dried tomatoes, these are packed in oil. And what we did is we just julienne them. You can keep them whole if you want. But
you can I
like a little piece that I can just throw in my mouth, and they're like these little bursts of flavor.
So let's add them.
Yes.
So, and look in that beautiful pink sauce. It's so gorgeous. These, a lot of times, I found these already julienned. So, so much of this you can get at the grocery store already ready to go.
Totally. That's what makes it great for a weeknight.
You know what this is also would be amazing with, and I should have made this, is our cheesy, easy garlic bread.
Yes, you should have made it.
I should have. Okay, well, it's so quick, you don't have to. But anyway, okay. So now we're going to really we've got another 1/2 cup or a 1/2 cup here of grated Parmesan cheese, because, why not? And we're just going to stir this in.
That's great.
And folks, just like that, in 18 minutes, we have a restaurant quality dish.
That's fabulous.
Just to review, after we got the ravioli where it needed to be, we stirred in the cream. That literally took like a minute with the sun-dried tomatoes.
Yeah.
I put in the cheese. That took about a minute for it to melt. And now we are ready to play.
Yes, look at that.
So excited.
Wonderful.
Okay.
Now bring that on over here.
Bring this over here.
Yes,
Oops.
there you go.
It's this serves. I nearly broke my arm off there. This easily serves 4 people.
There you go.
4 hungry family members.
Y'all, look at that.
Isn't that
That
just...
sauce looks wonderful. Oh, just a little more.
Yeah, I mean, this is
That's
literally,
perfect.
I mean, restaurant quality. I keep saying that.
But you say it restaurant.
I do say it restaurant. It's my upbringing.
All right, and
It's so funny though, when I was making this, I feel like I'm on like one of those morning talk shows where they make a beef Wellington in 7 minutes. You know, you're like, okay, and then we do this. But it's
look at
so
that.
fast.
More cheese, people. More
cheese, please.
Yes. there
Okay,
you
and then
go.
let's sprinkle a little fresh parsley
And
because
what
you
is
know,
beeping?
oh, it's
that.
my little thing. It's my hot plate. It's saying you're usually not done this soon.
Y'all, look at how wonderful that looks. Yeah, in 17, 18 minutes?
Yeah.
It's ridiculous. All right, I'm going in. Oh, I love cheese ravioli.
I do too. You could do beef ravioli. Can you believe that? I know.
You need to go in.
eat, I
Oh,
can eat.
wow. Y'all, oh, that sauce. I love the creaminess of that sauce. I want a little sun-dried tomato.
18 minutes.
I know, a little sun-dried tomato, love it. This is 1000% Loon approved.
Yes!
I
Oh my
know.
gosh, you guys, you got to make this. You're going to love it. Make the
Love
cheesy
it.
bread. It's such a great meal.
Yeah.
We love you.
Don't be afraid to buy pasta.
Bye.